Ito ay lalo na sa mga susunod na taon. Kaya naman ang hihikayat nila ang ating mga kababayan na mamuhuna na hindi sa ibang bansa kundi sa ating sariling bayan. Narito ang report naming kasama si George Mandol.
Sabi ng mga financial experts, nangunguna na ang Pilipinas bilang investment hub sa buong Asia. Naungusan na raw nito ang bansang Singapore. Sabi ni Cheyenne Lim, isang financial expert, kailangan lang na malaman ng Pilipino na maganda mamuhunan sa sariling atin kaysa hintayin pa ang mga dayuhan.
Your country is experiencing an amazing growth. This is the time. This is the time to become savvy. This is the time to start investing, to learn about it, so that when the wave comes, it's going to make a difference in your life.
Mula sa pag-invest sa real estate, stock exchange, iba't ibang komersyo, bangko, treasury bonds at iba pa, napapanahon na raw na magising dito ang Pilipino. Hindi naman daw kailangang malaki ang perang ipupuhunan.
And find out which financial asset class or financial products would work for them in their financial capacity right now. Okay? So you'll have insurances, you'll have bank products, you'll have stocks, you'll have ETFs, you'll have mutual funds, you'd have Forex, and all the other financial products, and including also real estate, because as we know, the Philippines is in the midst of also the real estate boom right now.
Okay. Kaya ang WhatsApp Pilipinas busy rin daw sa paghihimok sa mga vloggers na sa pamamagitan nito at ng gagawing Money Expo, may himok ang mas marami pang Pilipino na mamuhunan.
Their online media partner. So we are gonna help share the news so that more people will be able to know about the event.
Pinangunahan ng dalawang financial experts ang isang forum sa kahalagahan ng pag-invest sa mga panahon ngayon. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.
Sa iba pang balita, ipinapupull out na po ng Food and Drug Administration